Hi everyone, I'm Faith, and today I'm going to be narrating this video made by Dawson about how to use the picture-in-picture feature in iMovie. Okay, so iMovie is an Apple app and you can download it from self-service. As you can see, it's right there, it's purple with a star. So we're going to open it up and press the plus sign so that we can start a new project. So it opens up new project and I have the option of choosing movie or trailer. I'm going to choose movie. And when I open it up, this is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go to the bottom and tap create movie so that I can create a whole new project. Now I'm going to go to the top right corner and I'm going to click on video. When I open it up, I have options on what videos I want to choose, but I'm going to go to all so I can view all the videos that I have saved in my camera roll. Okay, now Dawson's going to scroll through and find whatever video he wants to use. So he's going to use this 10-second video right here. So he's going to go ahead and click on it, and then he's going to press the plus sign, and that's how he's going to add it to the bottom in his workspace. So now the 10-second video has been added to the bottom for him to work with. He's going to use the 4-second video below that for the picture-in-picture feature. So he's going to tap on that, and then this time he's going to press the dots. So when you press the dots, you have several different options, but today we're going to work with picture-in-picture, so go ahead and select that. Now you can see that the video he selected has been added into the other video. So now we're going to press the cross-looking button so that we can drag and resize it and put it wherever we want. Dawson's going to put it in the bottom left corner, which is convenient because it's not blocking anyone's face. Now we're going to go to the first video, and we're going to select it. At the bottom you can see we have lots of different tools we can use to edit the video, but for right now we're going to press speed. Now we have several options with speed, but we're going to press freeze. When we press freeze, that yellow bar allows us to select which portions of the video we want to freeze. Now Dawson's going to press play and we're going to see how the video works. So the main video is going to play, and then it's going to freeze. And now the smaller video, the picture within the picture, is going to play, and then the main video is going to finish out.